To install Joomla on a WAMP server, follow these steps. Install WAMP. Download and install WAMP server from the official website. Launch WAMP and make sure both Apache and MySQL services are running. Download Joomla. Visit the official Joomla website and download the latest version of Joomla. Extract Joomla files. After downloading, extract the Joomla zip file. Copy the extracted Joomla files and paste them into the www directory inside your WAMP installation folder. Create a database. Open your web browser and navigate to the following. Click on Databases and create a new database. Run Joomla installation. In your browser, go to http://localhost/joomla. Follow the installation prompts, selecting your language and entering the database details. Complete installation. Provide your site information and proceed. Once installation is complete, delete the installation folder for security purposes.